Well, old Whiskers kicked that crack pipe to the curb last June. He was shaking like a wet dog in a thunderstorm moon, sweating through his fur, yowling at the midnight sky. But he swore to Mama Cat, I'm getting clean or I die. Now he's batting yarn ball sober, purring in the sun. No more twitching in the shadows, the hard living's done. Oh, he's happier than a pig in a peanut patch, strutting round the trailer in his shiny new kicks. Red high tops with the laces glowing neon bright. He'd tap his little paws to the radio all night. But a big old crocodile came sneaking through the swamp, swallowed those shoes whole. Now my poor cat's heart's a lump. He's clean, but he's crying, got the heartache blues. Lord, why'd that gator eat my kitty's favorite shoe? He'd sit on the windowsill, admiring his reflection, flexing those fresh laces like they was pure perfection. No more chasing dragons, just chasing laser dots, feeling like a king in his fancy new spots. But that cold-blooded thief with a death row grin snuck up from the bayou and committed the sin. One chomp and they're gone, nothing left but a lace, floating in the water like a sad little tree. So he's happier than a pig in a peanut patch. Though he was happier till the shoes met their match. Red high tops with the laces glowing neon bright. Now he's staring at the swamp in the pale moonlight. That big old crocodile came sneaking through the mud, took the only thing left that made his clean heart feel good. He's sober but he's broken, got the heartache blues. Lord have mercy on a cat who lost his dang shoes. Now he just lays on the porch, eyes all misty and red, dreaming about them high tops that the gator done fed. He don't want no catnip, don't want no warm cream, just wants his shoes back, or at least a new dream. Yeah, he's clean now, praise the Lord for small wins, but there's a hole in his heart where them red shoes been. That crocodile swimming with a swagger and a smile, while my kitty's singing sad songs for miles and miles. So raise up your whiskey or your milk if you're him, for a sober house cat with a heartache him. He kicked the crack, but the gator kicked him worse. Lord, send him new shoes, or at least a hearse for that cursed reptile's curse.